Hey everyone, Tyler Bristow here with CenterlineMapping.com. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how you can collect AsBuilt data using the mobile PointMan application. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the screen back around so you can see what I'm looking at. And what we want to do is we want to collect this water line. Right next to this valve, we want to collect it that runs over this apartment. So we've got ticket number 40 already open, and in order to collect AsBuilt data, what we want to do is we want to tap the menu icon and tap settings. Okay, now we want to scroll down and we want to select the radio button that says show AsBuilt settings on move. So I'll tap right there. As you can see, I'm selecting that radio button option. I'll click close. Now what I want to do is I want to collect this water line. So I'm going to tap new in the top right corner. I'm going to choose water and I want to choose pipe. So I'll go ahead and select OK. And now this is going to open the AsBuilt settings dialog box. So there's a method, quality level, and antenna. So what we're going to choose for method, this is going to be as found. This is as we found the data. Quality level is going to be quality level. We're going to choose quality level C. And for antenna, we're not going to choose anything. We'll put 0 because we're not using an antenna right now. We're just using the antenna we're using the GPS that's built into this Galaxy S9 Android device. So I'll tap close. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to collect this water line using the AsBuilt settings. It's very similar to not using AsBuilt settings. So what we'll do is I'll tap GPS so that it zooms the map to my location. Okay. So what I want to do is, once it finds my location, and as you can see, if you're not using an external paired GPS, it doesn't have the plus or minus 1 foot accuracy. So right now we're just going to do a general vicinity of the water line. So I'm going to go ahead and tap capture. And as you can see, if you wait a little bit longer, it'll get closer to where you really are on the map. And if you can kind of like tilt your phone, and that helps adjust the settings and the bearing of the phone. It can read satellites a little bit better. So what I want to do is I want to collect the first point along this line, so I'll tap capture. Okay, now I'm going to walk along this water line. And as you can see, once again, it's drawing that line out on the map and it's showing you your distance. So I'm going to stop right here at this first water valve and I'm going to tap capture again. Now what I want to do is finish this line out, so I'll tap finish. Okay, so now we've got that water line drawn out on the map. What I'll do is I'll show you how that AsBuilt data is stored in that water line. So we'll click details in the bottom right, and what's going to happen is it's going to store that AsBuilt information that we collected when we created that water pipe. And so as you can see, here's some of the properties of that water pipe, and you can cancel those out, and you can go to pedigree, and this is where it shows your pedigree for that water pipe. So in the pedigree settings of that water pipe is where it shows you your quality level, your method, and your antenna settings. And that's how you create water pipes and store AsBuilt data for different features that you want to collect for. And so once again, I'll show you how to tap the menu icon, tap settings, and if you don't want to store that information in the pedigree, you can turn that setting off. So once again, under the map, you can choose show AsBuilt settings, and that allows you to store that information, such as quality level, method, and antenna height. So this wraps up this video on how to store AsBuilt information in the pedigree settings of different features. Thanks everyone.